Okay, today we are going to finish the tissue box cover. So in the first video on this project, I built this tissue box cover out of pine, stained it, and unfortunately the 3M wood Bondo product that I tried, you can see here, you can still see the wood Bondo product through the stain, even though the product is supposed to be stainable and paintable. So I wasn't quite happy with that. So here's a solution I came up with to cover up that wood Bondo product. So I'm using two products today. First product is this dark brown wood putty. And it's kind of like a toothpaste consistency. So I thinned it with a little bit of water and then kind of painted it on with this little paintbrush. Just right over the wood Bondo wood filler that I used. And then once that dried, I'm going to apply some of this Old English dark scratch cover. And that'll kind of help blend everything in nicely. You got to shake it up well first. I'm just going to use a paper towel to apply it. And then after a minute or so, I'm going to come back and just gently rub it in, rub it off, and see what we got. Be careful with this. You don't want to drip it on your clothes or any surface. I'm just going to go back and forth with the grain and rub the Old English into the wood. I'll do all four sides. The other option would have been to sand this down more aggressively and try to sand down more of that 3M Bondo wood filler product that I used. Cover up the screw heads and imperfections. But didn't want to go through all that work, so I thought this would be just a simple, easy solution. I'm sure that 3M wood Bondo product would work great for, like patching a wooden door frame or a window frame, or if you're doing a wood project where you're going to paint it a solid color and not stain it. Because I didn't have very good luck staining that product. Okay, it's been a minute or two. I'm just going to take a paper towel and just gently go over the entire box and work in the Old English, rub it in, wipe off the excess, and then we should be good to go. You can always do a second coat if need be. But this product works great. I've used it before. So you can see that dark wood putty and that Old English did a nice job blending it in. It's a final result. It all looks even now. Woo! I hope this video helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.